Today, we will discuss the pros and cons of using an old existing YouTube channel and how it can either benefit you or be negative against you. Many creators might be quick to try to ditch their old channel, thinking that it is dead because it has been inactive for many months or even years. But with benefits comes the cons, so we will also take a look into the potential negatives as well. We'll actually look into two of my channels as well to see their inactive periods and what happened after I started uploading again. So let's cover why you might want to revive your old channel, because with this comes a few benefits, especially if you have had an existing established following. Before we get into the benefits, I want to point something out up front here. YouTube channel age does not matter, and I don't care what anyone else says. YouTube cares about suggesting fresh new video content that is engaging, so channel age has no effect to this. The first benefit is channel authority. Did you have a few hundred or a few thousand subscribers? This is a huge milestone already, and if you have an established audience, you can pick this channel back up, start creating the same niche content, and quickly get this channel back to being seen. It is very hard and tedious to build up a new channel, so having this quick start can really help and motivate some people. It also provides a boost to your channel. If you start uploading content, your existing subscribers will start watching again, boosting your initial views and engagement on new videos, which signals to YouTube that your channel is back and active and to suggest your newest videos to a newer audience. The second major benefit is existing video content already created and uploaded. How many videos do you already have uploaded? If you have one or more, you're already ahead of the game. By having content already published, you can even go back, re-optimize them, maybe change the thumbnails or re-optimize keywords and titles, which can actually rejuvenate those old videos and potentially bring in new views. Not to mention, as you start uploading new content, those new viewers can click on your channel and watch all your other older videos. Having an existing content library already established can be a big benefit to increasing your views. The third benefit is already having an established branding. Building a new brand takes a lot of time, and many creators are always looking for a way to fast track this part. Having an already established channel helps you keep and maintain that branding element, which in turn can lead to faster growth, more views, and more subs. The reality is that using an older channel that has already been established, depending on how established it was, puts you months, even years ahead of new channels. Now with the benefits comes the cons, so we're going to cover these or potential negatives for using an older channel. Con number one is dead subscribers. Depending on how long it has been since you last uploaded a video, your subscribers have either unsubscribed, turned off notifications, or simply don't care to hear from you anymore. In my gaming channel example, within a time period of 2.5 years, I posted 3 videos. You can literally see the huge decline in views from the video before to those 3 videos that I uploaded after. It was never the same after coming back, as many of my subs weren't even interested in my channel anymore. They simply moved on. Con number 2 is that you might have genuinely switched niches. For example, if you have an old gaming channel like I did, for instance, you might have found that you just don't want to make content for that anymore. You're more interested in something else like health, finances, etc. In this case, you wouldn't be using your old channel because the niches are totally different. Don't force yourself to go back to your old niche channel if you aren't interested in making the content, because then it's going to feel more like a chore around the house to do, which you find yourself hating. Take it from me. I've done this and forced myself to create content on my gaming channel back when I didn't really want to. I also wouldn't delete the channel either though, depending on how established it is. You might find yourself one day regretting it or simply wanting to come back. So my first case study channel, my old trusty gaming channel. I've abused this channel for almost 7 years now, uploading and leaving this channel dormant for months, even years at a time. You can see the huge inconsistency of uploading my content, even being gone for years multiple times. Uploading consistency doesn't appear to be a factor though, because every time I came back, I would get views again, and suggested. Not to mention, still over my inactive periods, my channel did still gain views from YouTube search. The biggest con to being inactive for long periods of time, like I said before, is your existing subscriber base either leaves, loses interest, or forgets about your channel and doesn't bother watching new uploaded content from you anymore. You can see I have had huge inconsistencies, and no matter how many times I left and came back to upload, my channel still came back from the dead. Last December, I even uploaded probably around 100 gameplay walkthrough videos on my time off. 4 to 5 months later, the videos exploded and being suggested by YouTube, and my channel gained the most views it has ever gained. Now my channel stays consistent with thousands of views a day. So yes, you can rejuvenate an old channel if you are in the same niche and you put the time and effort into it. My second channel here, a reptile channel, went inactive for almost 4 months before I started uploading again. At this time I only had 5 videos up. Then I stopped for almost 11 months after that. I know I have a very bad habit of making channels and leaving them. When I came back the second time, my channel seemed normal and had continued to gain views and subs again, like I never left. I failed to mention the whole time I was inactive, my channel gained views and subs and very steadily gained authority over that time. So it never really died, it was just really slowly growing. But if you stay consistent, you grow much faster, obviously. The biggest lessons learned here is that YouTube doesn't care how long your channel has been inactive for. Based on how engaging your videos are, YouTube suggests your videos as they do a brand new channel. But the biggest advantage you have of using an old channel is the existing content and fan base. Again, YouTube channel age does not matter, although many people think it does. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you around.